Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Story of My Life on guitar. We'll start by covering the fundamental chords you'll need, which are a minor, C major, G major, and F major. You'll also want to place your capo on the 3rd fret to match the original song's key. Focus on transitioning smoothly between these 4 chord shapes to build a strong foundation. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A great beginner-friendly rhythm is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this consistently to get a feel for the song's groove. Aim for a steady tempo of about 121 beats per minute. Remember to use a light, even touch with your strumming hand to ensure each chord rings out clearly. Understanding the song structure is key. The main sections are the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, each with its own chord progression. Pay special attention to the bridge, which often features a D minor to G chord change. Break the song down into these smaller parts, practicing each one until you feel comfortable, then gradually link them together. To truly master Story of My Life, consistent practice is essential. Use a metronome to refine your timing and ensure you stay in rhythm. Try singing along as you play. This helps with coordination and musical expression. Start slowly, then gradually increase your speed as your fingers become more accustomed to the chord changes and strumming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.